That's your hair.
Alright. So you want me to come off?
No, man. You
Oh.
don't have to sleep anyway. Video man, video in front of you.
Yeah.
Come.
My donkey got lit me up.
No, man.
You don't want to be behind him.
I feel my donkey here.
I'm not going to lick them over.
You know what rule I'm in?
Oh, yeah, so?
Yeah, down the street.
I don't know if he ever had nobody this big on his back though.
You have a lot of weight on his back.
No, man, it can't more every eye.
How much?
This a donkey can't food out of ground.
Well, you should have padding car down the road.
Wow, it's deep.
How are them here? Bamboo?
Ginger.
A ginger?
Go on over there, man.
Ginger that.
Yeah. So ginger.
You have any fresh ginger ready?
No, me not ready.
Oh, it's still young.
Everything, yeah, everything young like that.
I would love some ginger. Well, when I come back, it should be ready.
Yeah, man, it's ready.
And whoever coming with me, I hope y'all ready for some ginger.
Yeah. Oh, yes, I keep on.
Come off right here?
Yeah, you can, all right. Bend over, go down, let me see.
Why not?
Lean back here, lean back here, lean back here. Lean, like y'all lie down on it. Like y'all lie down on the back here. Yeah.
Donkey have more control than y'all got.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. And I ain't fall either.
But me look, I don't look on the low time at all. I just walking down and go for the low. Remember, I feel be back to come down with him. So he really come down as a boy and really.
Real yard man style.
Remember me tell you. Wicked this thing.
Yeah, you come down a steep hill.
Yeah. You will up on the neck. Right?
Yeah, I got him. I'm good.
Yeah, man, you just lean back here, man. Yeah. Yeah, you're comfortable for you lean back here. Just balance yourself. Okay, now go fast. Yeah.
Yeah, come back up and you can ride all by yourself. Yeah.
Good, Kong. Good, good.
Turn on the camera up and wait.
Man, I have a camera on you. A cameraman says you can't run down this way either. I have to tell him for the man named cameraman. Cameraman don't know how to turn.
I see it down here go.
Look where you go, Mr. Cameraman, the camera. What's that?
Sweet, eh?
Good job, Kong. Good job. I'm gonna be sore tonight.
Your legs them are tired. I have pleased up your legs them for a long, you know.
Oh!
Yeah, cause that one not easy for your foot touch ground, you know. So you save anything. I do where you come out 5 minutes.
Why are you saying it you for? Ah, see? Look who's talking.
Come on, see.
Look who's talking.
Manu, I'm a
Look, yeah. I'm on the donkey. And he don't even know how to walk.
Where are we going now?
See you better.
Point it, Brian. Point it.
I'm a big old river now.
You better watch your front way or your back way. Woo! Woo! Point it, Brian. Point it this way. Brian, like I'm watching my step.
Yes, sir. Yes, everything set.
Woo! Okay, off time.
Right down to the river.
Yeah.
Bang! Oh, you the guy.
You hugging the donkey. You catch that bride, him hugging the damn donkey.
Mm.
Oh, yeah, drink up.
He's not thirsty.
Yay, they always say, uh-oh, let me not get behind them, because I'm not about to get kicked. But they always say, you could lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink.
That's
Right?
true.
You could lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink.
Oh, wow.
So, I could tell you to come to Jamaica, but I can't make you come to
I know
Jamaica. You
son-in-law
understand what I'm
one,
saying? It's up to you.
Yeah, son-in-law one. My daughter boyfriend. Husband, I mean.
Yo, this ain't no resort. You know what I mean? This is beyond a resort. This is paradise. Real paradise on earth. You know what I mean? So wherever you at, if you're not in paradise on earth, you need to come check it out. And if you is in a paradise on earth, you need to show me that one, and I'll show you this one. And then, you know what I mean? Then we all good. Everybody happy.
Non-chlorine. Them a water and non-chlorine.
Let them know. Let them know.
Yeah.
Tell them about the land. Let them know. Tell them about this land.
Non-chlorine.
Straight fresh.
And no polluted area.
Right.
And we are at the top of the stream actually.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh,
for
okay.
stream. Yeah, we are at the top of the stream.
We at the top.
Yeah, for stream go all the way down to Maypen this stream. Yeah.
Wow.
Mm.
So you can swim to Maypen then?
Mm.
I was part of you to come out of bamboo.
No, better. But you know, we don't use those things no more. But sometimes run jigs which will maintain to all that. But this one,
So, you have the same,
yeah, man.